Well, hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jamila, again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the bulk products I've made for the month of Ramadan, inshallah. It includes hair products, face mask, body scrub, bulk sugar wax. This is just going to be lifesaver for me. They are self-care essentials. It's going to take away the burden, during the month of Ramadan, from figuring out what to do, how to do this and all that. So if this is something you're interested in, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let us get right into it. So to get started, I'm going to start with the sugar wax. I have showed a lot of sugar wax recipes on this channel, but I don't know if they're as detailed as this one, so keep watching. You'll need a saucepan, a deep saucepan for this. You're going to be needing your sugar, you're going to be needing lemon and water. All three ingredients, simple, easy breezy. So the trick to making sugar wax is for you to have 2:1, more sugar to water. So here I made 4 cups of sugar, and I've just added all the sugar that I'll be needing into my pot. And I'm going to be adding 1 full cup of water, and the other cup of water is going to be diluted lemon and water, more water than lemon. You don't want to put too much lemon in your sugar wax, if not it's going to get it candied. And when it gets it candied, it's going to, other than burning, it's going to make it too hard, and you're not going to get that perfect consistency. Then it's going to make it foam a lot when it's on fire. So I hope you take note of those pointers. And once you add all your liquid, you just mix it properly. Do not make sure that no sugar is settling at the bottom of the pan. If not, it's going to not give you that perfect consistency. This was the day I was making my spring roll that I tasted it. I got all the timeline confused in the other video, but yeah. So I put it on the heater, on the burner, and I turned on the fire to medium high. Well, it was mostly on medium throughout. And yeah, you have to keep stirring and checking on it. And you see there is foam, but it did not form all the way up that it is going to start pouring. This was my old batch, and I just wanted to add to this. Sugar wax is something you can keep for a very, very long time, and I like to make it in bulk batches. So it's a thin line between burning your sugar and cooking it perfectly. So I was almost burning it here, but it is ready. And honestly, how I know that my sugar is ready is from the scent. When I start having that full candy smell, not burning but candy smell, then I know that it is ready. Other ways you can test this on ice block or cold water tissue test and all that. I've showed that in a video before. So this is my sugar wax all ready, and I'm going to use one before Ramadan, and I'm going to use the other one towards Eid, inshallah, so I don't have to worry. This is something that you will save a lot of money, instead of going to buy wheat that is expensive and not well made. This is short recipe. I'm going to let it cool down, and when I'm ready to use, I'll use it. So the next product I'm going to be making is my sugar body scrub. This is this is a 1 cup measure, but I'm going to be measuring 3 cups of sugar. I think, yeah, 3 cups of sugar. This is an anti-inflammatory scrub, because we're going to be going through a lot of things, tiredness, fatigue and all that during the month of Ramadan. So anything that you're going to be using, try to make sure it's anti-inflammatory. So I went in with milk, which is going to be like an exfoliant. This is carrot powder rich in vitamin A. I'm also going to be going in with licorice powder. I think it's licorice powder that I went in next. I can't remember. Yeah, it's licorice powder, looking at it now. And I think these are all the dry ingredients. Okay, turmeric. I'm also going to go in with 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder as well. And I'm going to give it a very quick mix, a good mix. And yeah, this is all there is to this mix. I love my turmeric scrub. I don't joke with it. It is good for my skin, it is good for my health. So any scrub I get to make, I always love to have turmeric powder in it. Every other thing you can switch, you can mix up, it's fine. If you don't have licorice powder, you can use lemon peel powder or orange peel powder. They are going to serve the same purpose. I went in with 2 cups of oil, and I used argan oil and sunflower oil. Again, they are non-comedogenic, anti-inflammatory kind of oils as well. Even when you're cooking, try to make sure you stay true to non-inflammatory kind of oil. So your olive oil, your avocado oil, those are really important. You can use them more than you use your other vegetable oil. I'm going in with my scenting. This is sandalwood, concentrated sandalwood oil. It's going to be what gives a nice scent to the scrub. It's not a lot, and I'm not going to be using this scrub on my face. That is why I am able to add sandalwood, concentrated sandalwood oil. So, and that is it. Just give it a quick mix. And this is my storage bowl. If you're an OG on this channel, you already know how we do it, is in this. And this is going to last me for the entire month of Ramadan. I'm not going to be doing too much scrubbing like I would normally do 2 to 3 times a week. I'm just going to be scrubbing once a week, depending sure, but the goal is once a week. It is doable, very practical. Do not stress yourself, do not do too much, listen to your body, go with what you can maintain. And yeah, that is it for the scrub. So ladies, our third product is the face mask. This mask is something that I am so excited for. I used it the day I made it and I love the result. I am familiar with the ingredients, which are dilka powder and green algae mask, the spirulina mask, and licorice powder. So in the other video, in the other clip rather, for the body scrub, I did say it was licorice powder, but that was besan powder, gram flour. That was what was in the other recipe, not licorice powder. So I added licorice powder and my argan oil. These are all the ingredients for this face mask. I'm very confident using oil on my face. Gone at those days when oil was the enemy. It is not the enemy at all. You just don't use the right kind of oil. And argan oil is 100% non-comedogenic. I have been using argan oil on my face for very long time, and I love how it makes my skin feel. I added too much oil, so I went back with 1 more tablespoon of the licorice powder. Licorice powder is going to like be my anti-inflammatory and also help keep my skin healthy, glowy and dewy, and help cell turnover during the month of Ramadan. There's going to be lots of dehydration. The argan oil is going to make sure the skin remains very hydrated and moisturized as well, alongside with the dilka powder, and the spirulina is going to help fight any stress sign of aging that the dehydration of the skin can cause. So this is it for the face mask. You can use all the ingredients here or switch up the ingredients as you please. So ladies, this is the last product, and that is my hair spray oil. So I already have water in my spray bottle, just a little. This is something that I'm going to keep adding once I run out of it, that is the water. So I use a combination of different oils rather, black seed oil, garlic oil, almond oil, and some do grow oil for volumizing and strength, and black castor oil as well. So these are all the oils that I used, and I use more black seed oil overall. So the essence of this oil is just to keep my hair moisturized and hydrated. Before Ramadan starts, inshallah, I'm going to do a deep conditioning, and that deep conditioning is going to last for 6 weeks. And then after Ramadan again, I will do shampoo and deep conditioning. So this is the end of this video. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things that you're going to try to maybe replicate. Let me know which one you're likely to do. If you have enjoyed this content today, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I hope you have an amazing spiritual filled Ramadan, inshallah. Ramadan Kareem.